Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to this video review. I am Aline. I want to talk to you about the Ikaria Lean Belly Juice. This natural supplement can help you guys to fully detoxify your body, getting rid of impurities and things that might be laying around your body that are not doing so good for you. So if you have heard about the Ikaria Lean Belly Juice before, that is just awesome, but I still want you guys to stay tuned because there is a lot that you have to know. I know that people don't really normally tend to share everything about products, but I like to share everything. So if you want to know all the details from A to Z, stay right there, okay? You guys are in for a treat. Now, if you are looking to purchase the Ikaria Lean Belly Juice, but you don't know where to turn to, let me just tell you that you should turn to their official webpage, which I left the link just here below this video in the description box. I did that because A, I don't want you to lose your time looking for it, and B, I know how hard it is to find these official web pages, and sometimes you are not quite sure if you're in the correct place or not, okay? But now, the Ikaria Lean Belly Juice is really cool because it comes in a powdered form. So if you're like me who does not like to swallow capsules, then this is a supplement for you. So it's got a fruity taste because it does have strawberry, acai extract, beetroot extract, hibiscus, milk thistle, so much. But this is why I named these ingredients, for you to see that it is totally natural. I mean, the Ikaria Lean Belly Juice is free from any toxins and any GMOs. It does not have allergens and how can I call it? No allergens and no dairy. That's the word. So guys, this is a supplement that will help you to detoxify your body. It's going to get rid of impurities. It's going to cleanse out your body, getting rid of bad bacteria. And then it will get your metabolism really working. So your metabolism will put your body in a state where it's going to be like a full fat burning machine. You're going to be targeting all the fats around it. These fats here, you see, the fats in your belly, I'm not going to stand up, the fats in your legs, and guys, they are going to be completely melted off. So this is a supplement that has a lot of amazing benefits that you can check out each and every one of them on the official webpage. But I'm talking about the weight loss part here, which is a really awesome part because this is a supplement that will help you regain your confidence, regain your self-esteem. You're going to feel so much good about yourselves, not to mention that you're going to be so much more energized. I mean, if you just don't have the energy to walk the dog, play with the kids after a long day at work, or you don't have the time to do your hobbies anymore because you lack the energy, this is a supplement that will reverse that. You see, you're going to take it every day in the morning. You're going to take a little scoop out of it, mix it into a huge glass of water, mix it up. It becomes like a fruity juice, a smoothie, and you're going to take it every day. The recommended treatment is 3 or 6 months. 6 months is best though because it really gives your body enough time to really adapt to it and really deliver great results. So use it every day, and in 6 months, look at the new you in the mirror. Purchase some new clothes that will make you feel really good about yourselves, that will make your confidence and self-esteem shoot out the roof. And guys, recommend the Ikaria Lean Belly Juice to your friends because this is a natural supplement that is really good for your overall health because it is just rich with vitamins and minerals, and it can even help you with your skin. So think about that, all right? Now, it does offer you a 180-day money-back guarantee, which is perfect because that's like 6 months, which, don't get me wrong, is a full treatment, right? So if you don't see changes, if you couldn't adapt to it, if, whatever reasons you have, you can just go back to the official webpage and request a refund. Now, if you have any doubts, questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below or visit their official webpage. Have a great day, take care, stay healthy, and I'll see you soon. Bye.